Welcome to this stunning bungalow at Section 12, Shah. This Janda Baik style house is perfect for buyers looking for tranquility in the heart of Shah. Not only that, this property is located next to the Selangor Royal Palace, which provides a prestigious neighbourhood in this community. I can't wait to show you this house. Let's go! This house has a land area of 11,900 square feet and a build-up of 6,000 square feet. It consists of 5 plus 2 rooms and 6 bathrooms. This home embodies a resort-like ambience, nestled within the valley with a secluded surrounding. It is surrounded by lush greeneries, providing a tangible sense of fresh air and calmness. Don't you think this house is special? Give me a call and I can't wait to show you this beautiful house.